This is the mid-mount motor you received. The first thing you need to do after receiving the goods is a quick quality check. Check that your kit works properly before installing it on the bike. Unbox now. Don't forget the battery and the display. Connect the 1T4 cable. Connect display. Connect battery. Check the power on. Turn on the boost mode to see if the motor can run normally. Connect speed sensor. Connect throttle. Connect brake sensor. Check that both brake sensors are functioning properly. If you are using a brake lever, check that both brake levers are functioning properly. Connect headlight. Check the headlight. Check the speed sensor. All clear. Congratulations on completing the self-quality check. Now you can install your kit on the bike.